morning students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting chapter 7 and 8 adjectives and adjectives of comparison. So what is adjective? Adjectives always adds more meaning to the noun or noun expression. It tells us about the size, age, taste, shape, sound, touch, color, opinion and feelings about the noun. Okay. So adjectives are words that denote nouns and noun expressions and add to their meaning. Next, underline the adjectives in the passage, then in the table on the page number 41 and mention the type of adjectives as well. One is done for you. You will see the examples and you will try. Next, adjectives can be created from some nouns by adding full, IC, AL, LESS or OUS. For example, beauty, beautiful. And note one thing, that when there is BEAUTY, when we are making it adjective, the Y is changing into I. BEAUTY, beauty plus FUL, full, and when we are changing it, it is becoming BEAUTI FUL. So whenever the last letter will be Y, we have to change it into I. Okay. Here mathematics plus ALL. It is mathematical. So read this one and try to do. Next, from the adjectives, form adjectives from the nouns using the endings given in the box on the page next. So you have to make it. These are the nouns and you have to change it into adjectives by adding these things. Photograph, photography, grass, grassy, truth, truthful. Like this you have to change, you will do by yourself. Now, adjectives of quantity. So these are the adjectives of quality. Okay, these are the adjectives of quality. For example, how is the flower? The flower is beautiful. So this is the adjective of quality. Next we are coming to the adjectives of quantity. Quantity means it shows how many or how much. Okay, I borrowed 2 books from the library. There is 1 liter of milk to make the kheer. So here 2 books, 2, a liter or 1 liter. These are the adjectives of quantity. It shows some quantity. Okay. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are these, that. Okay. These, that, and these and those. THAT, that, THIS, these, 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 and THOSE, those. These are called the demonstrative adjectives. These demonstrative adjectives tells us where or how far or near someone or something is. For example, that tree is very old. It is older than these trees. So here it is showing that where is that. It is near to us or it is far to us. That means it is far. Those means those are far. It is used for the plural forms. And this is nearer, and these, THAC, these are nearer but in plural form. Okay. So next, underline the adjectives of quantity in the passage below. There are insufficient rain last year. So the example will be insufficient is the adjective. Okay. You will do this one. Fill in the blanks using demonstrative adjectives. That means these, that, these and those you have to fill up. When there will be singular, near, this, far, that, singular, plural, near, these, and plural, far, those. Okay. Here personal pronouns and possessive adjectives. Here personal pronouns are given and possessive adjectives are given. You have to match them correctly. Okay, number 4, cut it. It will not come in the exam and no need to do. In each sentence below, underline the adjectives and mention what what type they are. See, white building is our school. That white, that is the demonstrative adjective, and white is the adjective of color, and our is the possessive adjective. Next, my friend has a young brown cat. My is the possessive one. Friend has a young. My is the possessive one. Young and brown is the young is the size, age, and brown is the color, adjective of color. Like this you have to write. Okay. Next we are coming to the adjectives of comparison. Adjectives of comparison, that means positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. When we are telling about one thing, then it is positive degree. We will use the positive degree. When we talk about a person or thing without any comparison involved, it is known as positive degree of the adjective. It is called the base form. It is also called the base form. Chaya is a tall child. Okay. Next we are coming to the comparative. Comparative means when we are comparing among two persons. Okay. When we will compare among two persons, then we will use the comparative degree. When a comparison is made between two person or thing, the comparative form is used. For example, here it is written, Shovik is taller than Chaya. Next is the superlative degree. When the comparison shows the best or the worst in a group, that means more than two. Maybe 10, 20, 100, 53, 4, any. More than 2 will be the superlative degree. So, Chavi is the tallest among all the students in her class. Next here, fill in the blanks using the correct form of the adjective given in the brackets. Rewrite each sentence correctly. Who is the adjective is given funny student in your class. So class, there are many students. So we have to write who is the funniest student in your class. Okay. My balloon is large is given than yours. That means it is comparison between my and yours. So it will be my balloon is larger than yours. Like this you have to do. One thing more, we have to learn that the comparative degree and superlative degree, we can change the base form by adding er or est, taller, tallest. Or we can use more and most and less and least. More means it will show the many, okay, and less means it will show the less. For example, we can say that more beautiful, most beautiful, less useful, and least useful. By changing the form of the words in a few cases. Sometimes it changes the spelling, like good, better, best. Here, complete the paragraph by choosing adjectives from the box. Okay, we live in the tree houses in our village. Nigadu's house is on the dash tree, on the tall tree. I think my house is the dash in the whole tree village, is the highest. Like this you have to do. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjective in the bracket. Same you will do by yourself, and use the positive, comparative, and superlative form of the adjectives given in the brackets. Okay, so you will do this by yourself and you will get the answers. Okay, so till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.